So, you're trying to find products, right? Look, if you've been following me or if you've not been following me, doesn't really matter. I usually yap a lot. I usually ramble. We're going to get straight to business. A lot of people don't talk about this way of looking at products. So, we're going to go straight to it, okay? So, here we're on my screen, right? So, here we're on my screen. And basically, we're going to search up weather.com. Yeah, a bit weird. And we're going to check the weather. How's the weather? Looking pretty nice. But here, we don't give a fuck. What we're doing is we want to scroll to these beautiful ads. You see, these ads are run by companies, and usually they're generating like at least seven figures. But you want to see the products that they're running as an ad. And for an example, this game is so realistic. Okay, we don't give a fuck. We're gonna look at products. Here are 39 cool gifts for this Tony. Nah, like that looks interesting, but leaky bladder. Let's see. Reveal the most effective exercise for regaining bladder control and reducing pelvis organ. So you see, here is a good ad here, and it's a product. What's this product? I have no volume, which is fine. I can't skip. Okay. All right. Well, that's a botch. It's a shitty ass ad. But basically, you see, we have to think different. Everyone is using spy tools, so you gotta like be a bit unique, be a bit creative. So sometimes I tend to go on this and not sell the product they're actually selling, but look at the problem that the product solves. So the most effective exercises. Okay, so I see. So it's a type of exercise, but for regaining bladder control. Oh, so this $1 million company is spending ads to solve this problem. Maybe we should look into a product that solves this problem. So then you would go on, go on Google, and you can do like regain bladder control products, maybe. And like you have a bunch. So maybe you have like a supplement or, some type of device, training machine. So maybe like it's like some type of machine floor. It's expensive. It's $284. What is this? But you see, so that's one example. We can go and look at other stuff. So we scroll here. 5-second method to relieve back pain and sciatica. I don't even know what the fuck that is. These videos, all right, bro, these ads, these pages suck. But basically, again, I'm understanding relieve back pain. We obviously know that that's an issue, but maybe specifically sciatica. So we search up what the fuck is sciatica. So like I'm trying to see like the way we process, like how I'm looking for products, how to try to solve problems, how to be unique. So sciatica refers to pain, weakness, numbness, or tingling in the leg. So then again, you can search up, you can go on Alibaba. I like Alibaba, so we can try Alibaba this time. Maybe just even put sciatica pain relief. And then here you go. You got like a seat when people sit, like a little cushion on their fucking ass. And this can help with sciatica. Again, good product. And then basically the way I would look at it is try to find a product that, let's say this product, we take this orthopedic seat cushion. So then I would go on TikTok. That's seat cushion. See what we're dealing with for like content wise, right? And you got different seat cushions. All right. Nice. Now, obviously, I'm assuming this is going to be on Facebook, but what I really look at is I try to find a product, that's different from what this big brand is selling on the Weather Network. Then go on TikTok, see what's the content, which product is like has good content, and then I try to go on Facebook and see if anyone's running it. And if no one's running it, or maybe one or two with this specific variant, it's a go. It's a good test probably. And there's other things. You can go on like CNN, go like these big fucking websites, right? And you go look at the ads. So food and home, blah blah blah, all these are news. Here, this is, again, I've seen this, waterproof cotton slippers. Like, you know, like this is like just me thinking, but I've learned this from someone who's done like 6-7 figures, and it's definitely a unique way. No one's really doing this. What's here we have where I live, the Montreal Gazette. It's like our newspaper, right? And you can see just like these big brands on their website, what they have as advertisement. And I just scroll, trying to find like the ads. There's no ad? Oh, here you go. The real enemy of neuropathy. Again, neuropathy is... So I just came up with like 3 different pain points that's like I could potentially find a product and sell, right? And the way I look at it is that basically these pain points are... They're being... these companies are spending millions of dollars to advertise them. So you know that this pain... Like, they've done the research for you. This pain point is a big problem. You know, obviously you can go double check on Google Trends and Amazon reviews or Reddit, but like these pain problems, bro, I'm fucking buzzing right now. These pain points are, you know that people need it, all right? So now it's just up to us to find that product. And then again, I wouldn't just go on Spy Tools. I would literally just go on Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688, fucking just Google Shop and search up products that solve these problems. Again, neuropathy is another one. This innovation for painful senior joints. So the shoes that help for senior citizens. You know, up to some, like, again, ideas. Like, just, I don't know how long I've been recording. Probably like 5 minutes, right? And I just came up with like a bunch of ideas. That's like, you know, not straight from Spy Tools where you see, you know, someone who got views and you're like, oh, let me just copy paste, right? I go through the whole process of like kind of working backwards. So with this strategy that I've started to use, it's like I secure the pain point. You know, every step of the way, I want to have like a proven concept. So I know that this pain point is a proven concept because these people are 100% spending, right? Similar Web, you know, they just launched 4.8K monthly visitors. That's good. If you go to the other, you know, this one, right? Look, 500,000 monthly visitors. Like, you know, like this is definitely a problem that a lot of people fucking have. So obviously they're selling, I think it's an exercise, right? But if you can find a product that solves sciatica, you know, so the problem is proven. Now you just got to find a product that has content on TikTok and no one's running that specific variant on Facebook. And like that's just like creating gaps in the market. That's just finding, you know, a pain point, an audience that's going to be buying, you know, that money is probably not an issue for them because sciatica is probably very painful. I don't know. I've never had it, but you know, they clearly see stubborn sciatica, bro. I can't even sciatica. Yo, okay, I'll just quick. Scat. I want to know how the fuck I'm saying this. Google Translate sciatica. Oh wait, I have no fucking volume. Go at sciatica, probably. I don't know. Anyways, You see, so I feel like a lot of these people online, like they're trying to sell you something tangible. They're trying to sell you some like dream, like, oh bro, just use a spy tool, copy paste and easy. But I'm trying to tell you, and I'm trying to do myself, is fucking put my own brain into it. Like think, like the certain path that I take to finding a product. I go on these big things. I find a problem, search up a product, go on TikTok. Is there content? Go on Facebook. Is there anyone running it? So it's like a lot of people don't do this way, but that allows you to be more unique, and that allows you to have more room to finding a product that's going to like help you scale, because not a lot of people are running it. Unsaturation is a huge like factor in a scalable e-com business, right? Although probably back pain is a saturated market, sciatica, whatever it is probably saturated, but it's not saturated from drop shipping perspective. So you see all these big businesses, they're probably doing landing pages like this, but no one has a brand. No one has a one product store solving this problem. So when a customer goes on this, they'll see like an actual brand, and that might actually help them convince them to do the purchase, right? Again, there's other big like before we ended off, like big websites. Like what's the biggest websites ever? Big what? Nah, bro. Like Yahoo. We can go on Yahoo. Yahoo's probably good. Let's go like, bro. What am I doing? Let's check Yahoo for the last time. Like just spend time. If you want, you can put some music in the back, low music, and just look. Okay, this shoe clearly is making bank, or they're spending. Although we check, right, it was like 5K monthly visitors newly, though they just started. That could be a fucking advantage for you. Find this product. Maybe that. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. I don't want to make this video too long because I want to make it blue orthopedic. Like let's see, blue orthopedic shoes. Oh shit. Shoes. Let's see. Hopefully my Wi-Fi. You see, for this specific variant, there's probably not. So unless you want to make image ads, unless you want to order the product, or unless you maybe find the content on YouTube, maybe you can run that specific variant. Or if not, just find another shoe that does the same thing, right? And just market it as that. But yeah, that's just like ways I try to find new products, trying to find new ideas, like what's working, and being unique. I haven't been on a spy tool, or no, that's false. But like I haven't ran a product strictly just that I found it from a spy tool for months, and I can see how my tests are actually getting better, because it's just like your competition is not there. Not a lot of drop shippers. I'm talking about the drop shipping space. Not a lot of e-commerce people are like thinking about it in this way, and that leaves a lot of room for you to find success. So again, I'm not saying this is like you should do this or should do it specifically like this. I just want to give you the idea, like how you can be unique, how to think of different ways to find products. Because bro, the internet is massive. There are billions of products, and there's just so many different ways. There's not one fucking spy tool that can find it all for you. There's so many different ways to go through it. Just again, use your brain and be unique. And again, if you found this video valuable, I have more tips, I have more strategies, I have more sauce, all in my Discord below. Check it out. We have the most authentic community you see on this space, bro. Business partners have been created in there. So it's just amazing. So if you want more shit like this, or you want to connect with other people, just check the link below. And of course, as always, I'll see you at the fucking top.